Proper alignment can turn a collection of simple shapes into a professional-looking product poster. Open Canva and create a new product poster using your preferred dimensions. Choose a clean background, then open the Elements panel and add circles, rectangles, lines, or abstract shapes that match your design style. Start by placing the largest shape behind the product, then add smaller elements around the headline, pricing, and promotional details. Now upload your product image and position it carefully within the main visual area. Next, add your headline, short product description, pricing, and call to action using clean, readable fonts. Select